Hey, hello guys. So guys, once again I am with you with new AI tool, new AI website from where we can create unlimited AI videos. Guys, before we did many AI tools we use before different AI website, but now I will show you one AI website from where you can create very realistic AI videos, and when I will tell you who is giving us this offer, you will be shocked. Yes, this AI tool we will use with Google, and Google is the one who is giving us this Google VO tool. And basically, this tool Google created for the companies designing the videos and designing different things. But now everyone can access this. And for 1 month, it's unlimited. Within 1 month, you can create whatever videos you want. It's not, there is no limit. Okay, guys, so without wasting our time, let's start.
So guys, the first you have to open Google and search Gemini Business. Once you will click on Gemini Business, you will find this type of interface. Gemini Business is basically it's created for the business, um, for the organization. So you will find many interesting tools on it. But now let's talk about videos generated. Okay, so now here you can see there are many features for the nano banana images, for the videos, for many things. Okay, if you come auto, you can see there are also some options what you don't see in another websites. So let's start to create the video. So the first we will come here, we will click on create videos, and here we will write our prompt. I pasted the prompt. You can write your prompt or take from ChatGPT or whatever movie or video you want to create. And you can change here if you want to change anything in this video, what you are going to create. You can change the text. You can add it before click on submit. Okay, now I click on submit and I will wait a little bit. Everything is okay. Here I write something or okay, khalas. Now leave it as it is. I click on submit. So you can see now the video has been created.
आते बहाकी में सब्रग्र की होकी को मिस्तों देते हैं तुम आनंद है अंधे का लेके पर्दी हुआ हगे.
So you can put your text or you can ask the Gemini business, the lady is speaking. Now let's create one another video where the boy will speak or the video will speak. So now I'm going to create another video. I will just writing some text, some prompt, and or you can copy from ChatGPT or you can create whatever you want. Okay, so just wait. I added this and then I click. You can see now I change little bit in the same video. Okay, but I wrote this lady is speaking. What she is speaking? Let's see.
What a fantastic AI tool with realistic video. I am looking more beautiful in this video.
So you can see now
What
the video is talking, yani the man or the woman or the kid, whatever you create, it's speaking. Let's do one more video. You all your chat will save on the left hand side on the. So I will prefer if you are creating new video, so click on new chat. So all your chat will be saved. Later on, if you want to use it, you can do it. Now I am going to create another one. Okay, the boy is in Iceland and khalas. Now you have to wait. Now you can see the result. Play.
Gemini Business is amazing. And the best thing, you can create unlimited videos for 1 month.
You can see now we have generated this video and the boy is talking. So it's everything depend on your prompt. What prompt you will write, it will give you the same result. So okay guys, this was the video for today, and I hope you understand because this is very easy. But still, if you have any problem, you can ask me in the comment box. And again, I will say the same thing. If you are new on my channel, here I want to tell you Nano Banana image also. You will click here Nano Banana, and I give the same prompt what I give it for the lady, and you will see the result for Nano Banana. I was going, but now immediately and suddenly it came in my mind Nano Banana image. So you can see now the image is ready. Now, not just create the image, you can edit the image. Okay, I download this from here. I come here, the chat is safe. I did not download before, so I will come here and I will download all my videos and images what I created. So I will download from here. Yes, download. The other chat, the last one, the video I created, this one also I download. So like this, you can create the videos and you can edit in CapCut or Filmora or whatever software you use it. Okay, so this was the image, last image with Nano Banana. I just added this image. I say change the shirt color into black. No need for Photoshop now. It's old fashioned. You can edit everything here. Okay, and not only this image, you can uh, edit any image what you have before. You can edit it, and you can uh, change the color, change the whatever you want. Okay guys, so this one also I download. If you have your own image, yani you did not create on Gemini Business, you can also do it. Just click here, upload file, and which file you want to edit. Suppose I want to edit this one. Okay, I will just write the text here what I want to do. Okay, one or two features is not working properly here, so but not this one. This one is working and we need this one. Okay, because as I told you before, this software Google created for the businesses, so you will find other features also. If in the future it will work, I will show you. So guys, I will continue. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel, like my video, so I will motivate and I will create more videos like this or more AI, yani latest technology. I will update you through my channel. So guys, till the next video, take care. Bye.